My baby is so strong. Good job. Be careful. Oh. Are you okay? Yeah. Oh my gosh. Just clap, shake it off. You're all good, huh? These boys are like Olympians. You're sliding down there again? Luckily, these cloth diapers are good padding. Whoa! That was good. Got another set of twins over here, blocking the slide. TJ, go over here to the other side. No, you can't come down that way. Go that side. Whoa! What'd you say? You about to do your pull-ups? Okay, please be careful. Alright, that's good. Go down the slide. Go down the slide. Why are you staring that man down? TJ. He's not doing anything too crazy. Are you gonna go down the slide? Okay, he's too busy. Alright, stop doing that, please. I don't want you to fall. What's up, Caesar? Just practicing your descent? Your descent? Yeah, hop it off, hop it off. Caesar, are you having fun? They're just doing their own thing. Little calisthenic. Good job. You guys are just so talented. That's a stick.
It was not me.
Oh, bye, Felicia. These kids over here. Alright, I'm gonna go now. Say bye-bye. Okay, thank you. Say bye-bye, Caesar.